Hi everyone, it's Sharon here. I'm going to share with you our 150 starter kit. I haven't shared this video for 3 years or so it's about time it was revamped and redone, just like me. So I'm going to jump on and I'm going to tell you all about it. Now, before I go into the kit and why you need to have this big kit, make sure you check out the channel link above. That's a playlist for consultant training. There's lots in there that's going to help you get the best start to your business, because there's many people out there that join the company and the sponsors, the start, the stop. Well, you know, you can still access some of my experience through the consultant training. Now, make sure you subscribe as well, because you don't want to miss all my videos. I'm going to move on to the kit and why you need to have the big 150 kit. Well, you don't need to have the big 150 kit. If you want to make a ton of money and build a big business and do parties and events and all that sort of stuff, then yeah, you're going to need the 150 kit. But we do have a 20 sample kit as well, the mini kit. That is brilliant. Everybody usually has one of those as well alongside it, because it goes in your bag. You can take it to barbecues, you can take it on the school run, you can take it everywhere with you. And another thing I do is I have extra mini kits and I give them to friends who take the little mini kit to their workplace and they get orders and I give them free perfume. So there's lots of ways that you can use that 15 quid mini kit. But today we are talking about the 150 kit. Now this is £55. It comes with a pen and 150 fragrance samples. As I said, if you want to start to do one-to-one consultations, parties, events, you really do need to invest in this kit. And honestly, once you've done that, you will get your money back in no time. Because how many times does one of your friends say to you, oh, I like this certain perfume? And you're like, wow, we've got something in the same fragrance family. Let me show you the sample. The chances are you haven't got it at hand, but you'll have it in this. Well, you eventually will. We don't know, because, as I say, you get 150 samples. We do a lot more than that. But you can add additional samples to your kit because you can get an insert kit. But this is a starter. It's to get you started. And this is what it's like. You get all these samples in it. So if you are wondering why mine do have coloured labels on, I used to colour code my sample kit, but we don't do that now. we can't get the colour samples for it. So it's back to old school and just the normal, what everybody else gets. So I'm going to quickly show you what you do get in this. So let me just pull a couple of these samples out and then I can tell you what they mean. So where it is. Let's have a look. No, it's not that one. Found it. Right. So we have a pure collection, and you will have a pure collection of the samples as well. So the white ones with the black numbers are the women's pure collection. The black ones are for the men. And then you have silver for the luxury range, our pure oils, and that the silver are for men. And the gold labels are for women, and also for our unisex range as well. So you can set up your kit however you like it. You can set it up in, you know, women's, so the white labels, black labels, gold labels, silver labels, or how I do it is just in numerical order. So if somebody says, you know, X, Y, Z, and I'll say, right, you need to try number 16 and 18, then I can go straight to it because I know where it is. And I just find that really works a lot easier for me. But everybody's different. We all have our own quirky ways on how we set our kits up. So that's it. If you really do want to make a ton of money in this, which you really, really can, invest in this starter kit. And if you have not started FM yet and you're maybe looking at doing it, I'm going to drop in the description some information that's going to help you a little bit further decide if it's for you, because it's not for everybody. You've got to have a passion for perfume. You've got to have a passion for the products that you're actually selling. And I certainly do. I think everybody wants to have started FM. The addiction just grows. It just grows and grows and grows. Your perfume collection grows. It's brilliant because we get it all at discounted prices. So there we go. Make sure you get the kit, and I'll see you all in another video.